Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Hyundai Santa Fe key battery. First, you will need to identify the correct battery type, which is typically a CR2032 coin cell. Next, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and your brand new CR2032 battery. Having these items ready will make the process smooth and quick, ensuring you can restore your key fob's power in just a few minutes. Now let's open your key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation, usually on the side where the physical key might be. Insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, carefully pry apart the two halves of the key fob casing. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent any damage to the plastic housing. With the key fob open, you will see the old battery. Gently use your screwdriver to lift out the old, depleted battery from its compartment. Note its orientation before removal. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards. It should fit snugly into place. Almost done. Carefully align the two halves of your key fob casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely reassembled. Once closed, it's time to test your work. Head to your Hyundai Santa Fe and try locking and unlocking the doors. Your key fob should now be fully functional, providing reliable access to your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.